Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line there is coming from. And I bring that up because it once again is pretty much the main focal and talking point in this video, because yeah, the day started off very, very nicely. However, none of that lasted and the price did pull back. But on the bright side of things, at least the price did indeed hold above that level that I've talked about in the past videos, right here at essentially $17.50. So I've talked about $17.50 being a level of support, and after today's, action, definitely confirmed that there are quite a few buyers that are willing to buy right around this area. And then on top of that, not that far below it, not that I'm saying, 1750 is going to, fail or anything like that, but you also now have the purple line there, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average, not that far below. So it's kind of, as far as supports are concerned, almost like a double whammy of support. Again, the first whammy at 1750, the other whammy right there at that 50-period moving average. Keyword there for that being moving. So as Tuesday plays out, that line will move itself higher and higher, and eventually it will cross up above $17.50, assuming, of course, the price itself stays above that green line. So just keep that in mind that, that level is going to, work its way higher and higher. But overall, kind of moral of the story here that I'm trying to get across is right here around 1750-ish, 1745, definitely a very, very important level of support. And a lot of people have taken notice of this, so I don't want to come across like this is a great discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be watching this. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching a certain area, it can produce some pretty interesting dynamics. Some will call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, and I don't have any problem with that. But the idea being when a lot of eyeballs are wondering kind of the same thing, it can produce interesting results. Now, in the event 1750 cannot hold, next level of support down around $16.85. Resistance-wise, nothing here has changed. That pink line, which I believe I talked about on Friday, but that's the 200-period simple moving average. It was broken today, but the price could not maintain above it, and given that the price is now back below it, that would be the near-term area of resistance. So the week is young. We'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.